Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys. As you can see, our homemade Forky has seen better days, but today we're going to do something lots of fun that I think you'll all enjoy for the upcoming holiday season. Today, Forky is getting a makeover. He's going to turn into a Forky perfect for Halloween. You can take him out trick-or-treating with you, you could put him on your mantle and keep him as decoration, or this can just totally be a catalyst for you to keep creating with the same spork over and over and over again. You don't have to keep rebuying sporks and other things. You can just keep adding decorations. And because this is plastic, you can easily peel off parts. As you can see, our original Forky, his eyeball fell off, but that's okay because he's gonna get a total transformation. If you wanna see more, please click that red subscribe button. That'll notify me that you've been subscribed to our channel, and you could ring that notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Let's get started. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you love creating new Forkies. So this Forky I'm gonna call Freaky Forky in time for Halloween. I went to Dollar Tree and I found some amazing deals. I got more googly eyes. These are regular ones. They're large. There's like 3 different sizes. There's large, medium, and small. These cool colored googly eyes. There's all different colors. There's yellow, red, pink, blue, green. They're so cool, and they're all different sizes too. They're small through medium. I don't see any extra large ones, but this is the one that inspired this video. We have these crazy googly eyes. These are monster googly eyes, and you could find this in the Halloween section at your local Dollar Tree. You can see my Dollar Tree haul video if you want, if you click one of the cards at the top of your screen. Now, these are really cool googly eyes because they have 3 different sizes, just like the regular googly eyes. And what's really super cool is that you can create your own Forky with them and make him a monster. That's why we're gonna make Freaky Forky today. This is just for Halloween, and then when Halloween goes, we will do something else, or maybe even revert him back to regular Forky in time for the holiday season. So this is what I picked up. I got some sparkle mesh for $1. Everything was $1, obviously. I got some cool spiders for decoration to put around him. I got these pipe cleaners, and they're kind of sparkly. And in case I wanted to add some more color, we have orange here, and we could add in the colors of orange and black for Halloween. What you're gonna need is a scissor to cut any pipe cleaners, some white Play-Doh. I have to just reinforce Forky's bottom. You could even put like a Halloween sticker on it. I think I'm gonna keep it like as is. And maybe if you have any ideas of what could have made this Forky better, let me know in the comments below. And I always use hot glue. If you wanna use hot glue, you can, or you could just use regular school glue like Elmer's glue, regular white glue. Glue sticks definitely don't work. This is your best bet though, but if you are a kid, please be careful and ask for parents to help you out with this. So the first thing we need to do is remove Forky's eyes. I know this might be a little bit disturbing, but we're gonna have to do that. So they're really simple to come off because it is plastic, and it might leave some residue, but that's totally okay because you're gonna cover it up anyway with the glue. Next, what I wanna do is I wanna reinforce the base because I don't want it to be too wobbly while I'm working. As I'm doing this, I just wanna tell you, at Dollar Tree, they have so many great deals. Well, everything's $1, but there's so many awesome things that you can buy for $1 there to make your own Forky. I was buying everything online and at Michael's, so I spent a lot of money the first time I made this Forky. You couldn't really buy sporks, so my son took one from school, and ever since that day, ever since Forky was like introduced, because we did ours very early on, they stopped giving out sporks at his school. But what I thought was really cool was that we have these big giant chenille stems, which is really awesome if you want to make like a bigger Forky. They also have lots and lots of different sizes of popsicle sticks, different colors of pipe cleaner, and the googly eyes. So this, I mean, you could use basically anything. I use rubber bands, and this was originally Jessie's hair that I cut from a Jessie doll that we had, because I still didn't know Forky, like what was about. Like, I think this was like November when I made Forky, but I think it was December when I posted the video, because we were in Florida at the time when I came up with the idea, and I had Forky and I just couldn't do it because we were away. The reason why I'm putting on so much is as my kids play with it, because they do play with this Forky, I don't just let them like sit on the shelf. I'm all about play over here, so it does come off a lot, so I just want to reinforce it a lot.
Next thing I want to do is I want to remove his original arms. Okay, now we have a nice Forky base. So I'm going to add black and I'm going to add the orange to make it a real festive Halloween Forky. What we could do is we can not braid it, but just like intertwine it and do a twist. Cool. Now, if we're gonna make Monster Forky, we gotta give Monster Forky a really cool cape, because a lot of monsters, they either have a cape or they have a mask. Since Forky's face isn't gonna be covered, let's give him a cape, just like maybe Dracula. But since he's Freaky Forky, with his crazy eyes, he definitely needs something with spiders on it. I love the gold glittery spiders for this, and for $1, you can't go wrong. Already he's looking super spooky. We definitely needed something like this when I made Darth Forky. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. There's gonna be some more fun videos featuring Darth Forky coming up very, very soon, so you're gonna wanna subscribe to find out more about him. Now, to be able to make a cape that actually fits around him, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some pipe cleaner. Black is probably best to make this cape. And we want the cape to be long, so we're only going to roll it around it just a little. So you're gonna get your glue ready, and you're gonna put your pipe cleaner at the top of your tool piece over here. And you want it to be even, so when you're wrapping it around him, we have an even tie. And just put a little bit of glue right over here. And a little bit goes a long way with this type of glue. As you can see, with my Forky, I sometimes put a little bit too much glue, so he has some glue on his face. No big deal. And this glue is hot. I just burnt myself, so be super careful. You're gonna want to work fast because we're gonna wrap this around. So when we put it around him, we could form it around his body so it doesn't look too weird and it doesn't come off. And we can easily remove it. So we're not attaching anything else to Forky. Anything that he doesn't need anyway. We could do it like this. He could be non-Forky. We could do it like this, where we have Forky wearing a veil. Looks like he's in mourning. Or we can do this. Now, as you can see, this is super duper long. So we're gonna have to cut this now. Now, make sure you leave enough on the outside to be able to do it. Let's see if I could do this without having to cut it. And crisscross it over to give him a grand collar, fitting for any monster. Now what's really cool, and I totally did not plan this, the glitter from the tool is dripping and dropping on the white Play-Doh, and the effect is awesome. Just gotta choose which colors. It seems that we only have, for the medium-sized one we have blue, and for the small one we have pink. I've decided to just use the blue and the pink, only because the yellow and the green are just a little too freaky for me. I don't know, that's how I feel. And the way that these googly eyes are, it definitely looks like there was some kind of contact lenses put in them anyway. Get it? There we go. Now Forky is ready to go to any Halloween costume party they ask him to come to. Hey, Knifey. Ah! Ah! Why are you yelling? What happened to your face? I'm just dressed up for Halloween. What's going on? Oh, you're scaring me. Yeah, that's pretty scary, bro. Guys, let me know what you think of Freaky Forky in the comments below and what I should dress him up in next. One of our subscribers, McFrozen Nuggets, actually said we should make him as Spider-Man, so maybe I will next one. Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah!